Hello everybody, again welcome back to our channel today. Also we have got another video. In this video I will be showing you how you can go ahead and draw arrows on your chess.com. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's go ahead and step into our video. So there is two things that you have to make sure. First is you will go to your browser and type in go to chess.com, and you can go ahead, get logged in and play your chess right here. If you want that arrow option, apparently in mobile you cannot do it in browser version. For that purpose, go ahead, open it up in there your computer or laptop and try it from there directly from settings. For mobile person, or the optional option that you can get is go ahead, open your Play Store, go to search option and type in draw on screen, and you will find this application. Go ahead, install this. So once you install this, apparently this app draws over the apps, and so you can install this and you can use this to draw an artificial arrow instead of the, you can go ahead and, as you can see, this is the way you can draw it. So go ahead, install this app, and you can simply go type in, and then you will have to draw and your own arrow right there in your game. You won't have a default arrow from chess.com as well. So yes guys, this is it. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching, and yeah, I will be seeing you guys next time.